Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider. Today, we're going to talk about two stocks I'm buying after elections and also about stock market predictions. If this is your first time to Rich Life Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money and how to get rich in life. So, if you want to know more about stock investing, real estate, make sure you turn on post notifications and so that you do not miss any of our videos. And at the end of the video, you can get free stocks and audibles in the description and comment below. If there's any stock you would like me to talk about, comment below as well and share this video. And if you want to watch more stock videos, and if you watch until the end, I'm gonna give you one bonus stock. Guess stock number 2. Save money, live better. Do you know what stock that is? How about now? Do you recognize this logo? How about this? You should know this by now. If you don't know about this, I don't know what to tell you. This is Walmart. Walmart. Save money, live better. So let's look at Walmart. The last time I talked about Walmart on August 31st, it was only $138 and $85, and the dividend yield was 1.56%. Right now, it jumped to 150.54. 1 week. So after I made a video, the stock jumped to 147 from 138. So basically, it's jumped 8% within the last 2 months since I talked about it. And Walmart, and if you invested 10,000 in Walmart 5 years ago, you will have made about 25,000 today. At the end of the closing day of November 13th, and also the Walmart, if you bought 10,000 worth of share 40 years ago, your money will have become 6.5 million today. Of course, the past results do not guarantee future results. So, why do I buy Walmart? Let's look at it. Amazon Prime members is 150 millions. This is as of January 30th, 2020. Walmart just recently launched the Walmart Plus membership, just like Amazon. It's $98 per year. So let's imagine if Walmart can only get 15 millions, only 10% of Amazon, they will have got 1.47 billion a year. That's a lot of money. And not only that, if customer already become a member, they want to buy more products, because they want to make the best use of their membership. So they keep buying more products. So that's gonna add to the bottom line and the top line of the Walmart financial statements. And not only that, so they need to buy minimum $35. So it's not just like you just buy $5 and you get free delivery. It's not like that. So which is really good. Walmart Plus membership. So I like membership. So I bought it since when I started buying Walmart. It was only 124. So it's not even 1 year, it's appreciated by 20.58%. So if you make 10% in stock market, it takes 7 years to double your money. If you make only 7%, maybe 10 years. So if you make 30% every year, it will be about only 3 years before you double your money. So this is really good risk reward stock, because you don't really see Walmart stock dropping like crazy 30-40%, but it could jump about 5 to 10% if the good news comes out. So why am I buying? Shutdowns are coming, and by Walmart is an essential retailer. Walmart Plus result during the holiday season should be good. It should be coming out after November, December. So with Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. How about Target? Both companies are doing well. Target and Walmart, they are very similar. But if I have only $200 to invest, I would choose Walmart, because they recently launched this Walmart Plus, and also they allow the other merchants to sell their products online. So which is like competing against Amazon. Amazon is like more than $1 trillion company. Walmart is only about 426 billion. So it still has room to grow, room to double. Okay, let's look at stock number 1. So do you recognize this logo? Maybe you do not. It's JD.com. JD.com stock is a China's e-commerce companies. After Alibaba is the second largest e-commerce company. So when I started mentioning about on this channel, it was only about 78 $86.64 on August 31st. After that, right now it's $92. It jumped after that, but you still had time to buy this stock, after watching my videos on August 31st. So it's 70% increase in 2 months, which is very, very good. S&P 500, they don't appreciate even for 1 year. It's only 2 months is 70%, which is very good. And if you invested 10,000 6 years ago in 2014, you will already have 45,000 today. A JD stock, look at the JD stock. I bought it on 79.52. Right now, 92.08, 15%, 50.8%. But in 2018, I bought it for 43.30 and 38.45. I sold it very, very soon after that, maybe 1 year, because the stock was not moving for 1 year. So most of the time, that's why I prefer to hold stocks for 3 to 5 years for now, because you need to wait for the business to cycle. Business cycle takes about 3 to 5 years. The market size cycle takes about 8 to 10 years. So in order for the stock to fully realize its full potential, it's better to wait for 3 to 5 years. Of course, I made profits, very, very, not so much. If I just hold it until now, I would have made much, much more. So Bonnet is coming. This is another stock. Do you recognize this one? The chat app, WeChat. You should already know by now. Is it 50 cent? Does 50 cent own this company? No, it's Tencent. Tencent, China's e-commerce Tencent stock. So, but there are a few things to watch out for, because China also want to regulate the big tech company, just like US, because they are getting too big, and they are worried about monopolistic power for this company, because these companies are so big. So there could be potentially Chinese regulation coming, but U.S. governments have tried many times to break up the big tech companies, but it hasn't happened yet. For China's, that's one thing to watch out for. But China economy is growing really fast next year. They got this pandemic under control, so they have a much more potential than U.S. and Western European economies. Europeans and U.S. economies may not grow that fast. Just say if they are growing, that's really good. The China economy is gonna grow faster. So it's good, and a lot of the investors are very, very and are exposed to Chinese stock. Chinese stock. Next year administration, there could be U.S. and China tension, but I do not see the tariff going on. So the tariffs hurt the companies and the public much more than the government. So yeah, Tyson, this is gonna be the stock that I'm gonna be buying. But if you invested 10,000 5 years ago, you will have already made 37,000 with this stock. And Tencent holding 12 years ago, you will have already made 558,000. So it was only $1.37 at the time in 2008. So my opinion is the cases are rising, but shutdowns are coming sooner or later. So these two will be negative to the stock market. But we have vaccine, the good news coming. Pfizer, Moderna, they are saying their vaccines are more than 90% effective, but it's not approved yet. But once vaccine is approved by the end of November, possibly, at least for Pfizer, so the stock market could go up. But at the same time, it really depends how severe the cases are going to be, and also how severe the shutdowns are going to be. So the stock market is going to be very volatile in my opinion. Stimulus, I do not foresee stimulus coming this year. It will be in the next administration for the next year. So China regulation, that will be for Chinese stocks, and U.S. China tension as well. Yeah, I will be closely watching for the cases, the shutdowns, and the vaccine. Of course, all the investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money. Invest only when you can afford to lose. No, this is not investment to buy or advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your independent research before buying or selling any securities. If you enjoy video until right now, I really love to give you free gifts. Get 3 free stocks from Weibo if they still have promotion down below, and you can also get M1 Finance $20. If you use my link, you can get $20. You can invest $10 a day in Facebook, Apple, Google, Tesla, high price stocks by buying fractional shares. So you do not have any excuse not to start investing. Uh, there are three links down below. Just open an account, deposit $100 to get a deposit. And if you are interested in real estate licensing course, you can take the licensing course to become a realtor. If you need some financial helps, get a free credit cards for interest free for 12 months to 14 months depending on their promotions. The links are down below. If you're paying more than $15 a month for your mobile plan, you're paying too much. I have the link down below. I use the plan. I like it, so that's why I put it down below. And free travel credits as well. You know, if you want to reach out to me, you can comment down below, and you can reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you are here, comment below your city, state, and country, and which videos would you like me to make. Subscribe YouTube, like See First Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to get free stocks and audiobooks in the description comment. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.